ClickDimensions marketing automation makes it easy to integrate forms on your website to Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Here's how. You have forms on your website. ClickDimensions allows you to associate these forms to records in CRM. When a visitor submits a form, the data is passed to our Windows Azure service, where it's deduplicated against CRM records, and either a new lead is created or an existing lead or contact record is updated. Integrating a form on your website to Microsoft CRM takes 3 easy steps. First, you set up your form fields in CRM. These are all the fields that are used on the forms on your website. Second, for each form on your website, you create a form capture record in CRM. And third, you change the action in your form with the action URL that's provided by the ClickDimensions application. Let's start by looking at form fields in Microsoft CRM. Here I've created 13 fields that I use across the various forms on my website. We'll take a look at the city field. In the name field I have city. In the form field ID I have the value that I find in the HTML of my form. And then I've specified a type of text because this is a text field. Here I've mapped how this field will flow into CRM. If it's creating or updating a lead, it will correspond to the address1_city field on the lead. And if it's updating a contact, it'll correspond to the address1_city field on the contact record. Let's take a look at a pick list type field. This field is called CRM System, and in the HTML of my forms, it has the value of OPT CRM System. You can see how it maps into the lead record in CRM, and down below we can see how the various values are mapped to the pick list values. So for example, this value is mapped to a similar value on the CRM lead record. Now that we have all our form fields in CRM, let's take a look at form capture records. Here we have 5 form capture records. Each one corresponds to a different form on our website. Let's take a closer look at the Contact Us form capture record. We've given it a name so that we know which form that it corresponds to, and we've created a campaign link, which is optional. We've also specified URLs for if an error occurs or when the form is successfully completed. Then we have to associate the various form fields with the form capture record. Let's take a look at the newsletter opt-in form capture field. Here you can see that we've associated the newsletter opt-in form field to this form capture record. In doing so, we can specify whether it should be overwritten in CRM. In this case, we say yes because it's a Boolean value. And we can specify whether it's required. We'll say no because we're going to do JavaScript validation directly on the form. Once we've created the form capture record, our service creates a unique URL that is put in the form action. When the form is submitted, the data is passed to this URL in our Windows Azure service. The form data is deduplicated against CRM, and a posted form record is created in Microsoft CRM linked to the lead or contact record that posted the form. With our form capture records in place, we can now see how data flows into Microsoft CRM. I'm going to click the Posted Forms link, where I see a chronological view of all the forms that have been posted into CRM. Here's a partner information form, a newsletter, email submission, and Contact Us forms. I'm going to open this Contact Us posted form record. When I open it, I can see that it's linked to a contact record, and I can see that it's also linked to the Contact Us form capture as well as a campaign. If I clicked on the Posted Fields link, I can see the fields that were posted when this form was submitted: company, country, email, and so forth. If I go and look at the contact record, I can see that on the navigation of the contact record, I see all posted forms for this contact. This contact has submitted 8 different forms, and on any one of them, I can open it and see the history of the values that were supplied. I'm also able to go to the campaign record and see all form submissions that have been associated with this campaign. So if I click Posted Forms on this campaign record, I see all the forms submitted by all leads and contacts. Looking at the HTML source of the form, you can see that we've replaced the form action with the URL provided by the ClickDimensions form capture record. So that's all it takes to integrate a form on your website to Microsoft CRM using ClickDimensions. Thanks for watching.